Welcome back. My name is Bodo, and word today is hungry. God, I am hungry. Hungry in Thai is hiu. Hiu. Say that. Hiu. Okay. Hiu is a rising tone. Hiu. Hiu, almost like making a sound of a question mark. You know, you have a question like huh, like the huh. Like Scooby-Doo. Have you ever watched Scooby-Doo? Oh, yeah, that's hiu. Same thing, okay? Hiu means hungry. I'm hungry for something. All right, how to use that in a sentence? Well, let's go. You can ask someone, are you hungry? If I'm asking you, are you hungry? I would say, คุณหิวไหมครับ I'm a male speaker. I would use ครับ. For a female speaker, we use ka or ka. So this sentence will be a question mark. So it'll be คุณหิวไหมคะ means are you hungry? Okay? Now, you can say that คุณหิวไหมครับ if you're male. Means are you hungry? And the answer would be ผมหิวครับ means I'm hungry. Yes, I am. Can you see from my face? ผมหิวครับ Or if you're a female, you can say ฉันหิวค่ะ ฉันหิวค่ะ Okay? You're probably wondering if this is your first time watching this. Okay? ผม means I for male speaker. ฉัน means I for female speaker. ฉัน same thing. Alright? If you're female, you can use ฉัน. But if you're male and you want to use ฉัน, you can also use ฉัน too. Nobody care. Yeah, you can use ฉัน, same thing. Right? But if you're a female, but you identify yourself as a man or as a male, you can use ผม. But if you're a man or male and you identify yourself as female, you can use ฉัน. It's simple. It's, very easy. Okay? And you know what? The easiest way, just use ฉัน or ฉัน. Everyone can use that. Alright? ฉัน is a written word. It's ฉัน. In a real life conversation, you can use ฉัน. Okay? It's a high tone. ฉัน. Alright? Same. Alright. Okay, next one. Oh, God. I'm very hungry. ผมหิวมากครับ ผม means I, male speaker. ผม or ฉัน หิวมาก means very hungry. I'm starving. I can eat you. Okay? หิวมาก Okay. ผมหิวมาก or ฉันหิวมาก Alright? And but if you're not hungry, okay, because something wrong with you. For me, I'm always hungry. Just say if you're not hungry, just, you say, I don't want to eat. Or you can say, ผม or ฉันไม่หิว ไม่หิว means not hungry. ไม่หิว I'm not hungry. ผมไม่หิว or ฉันไม่หิว Okay? Another one is starving. You're dying. You're starving for food. Okay? หิวโหย หิวโหย is a written like in a novel. หิวโหย means starving, to like so starving you can't even stand it anymore. You're just like dying. หิวโหย. It's good to know, but in real life, conversation, you're not going to use that. You're not going to hear anyone say that หิวโหย. Okay? Now, you could say หิวนิดหน่อย นิดหน่อย means just a little tiny bit. I'm starting to like get hungry. หิวนิดหน่อย ผมหิวนิดหน่อย or ฉันหิวนิดหน่อย นิดหน่อย You can use that for a lot of things. นิดหน่อย means just a little bit. They can ask you, hey, you like this dish? You can say นิดหน่อย means a little bit. It's not really my favorite. But today's word is หิว hungry. Okay, let's concentrate on that. หิว let's keep this one short. My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.